Hi, Professor. My name is Andrea Walker, and today I'd like to review Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter. Facebook was originally a platform created for college students as its target audience, and it was designed so that students would have to use their college login credentials to log into a platform where they could upload pictures of themselves and be rated on attractiveness by their peers. And if they wanted to connect with their peers based on the attractiveness rating, then they could do so. However, Facebook was originally created simply for college students at Harvard and expanded to several other Ivy League institutions and then became a national college platform. And then it became an international platform for anyone who was interested in uploading photos or commentary, adding friends into friends groups, socializing with peers, or joining groups where you can share like interests in the group and plan events or coordinate events through groups of like interest. Um, Teenagers often use Facebook as a way to share milestones or events. Facebook is so much more than a late adolescent application now. Now, pretty much anyone from ages 13 to older adulthood can upload those photos, join groups, and even sell and buy things on Facebook. But teenagers typically, from what I've seen, utilize the platform to share milestones, to express opinions on social happenings, and to join groups for events that they like. I've even noticed that schools are now using Facebook and have Facebook pages as a tool to engage parents and families. So that's how pervasive Facebook has become. The next platform is Twitter, and Twitter was originally designed to be a site where you could upload a short video or a short soundbite like clip of text, and folks with interest in politics or who wanted to discuss the events of the day would utilize Twitter to put up their video, their soundbite, or their reaction, and could add other people who shared similar information or similar sound bites and form a connection with people who are outside of the immediate social circle or even outside of their immediate living area. Lastly, Pinterest, I chose because Pinterest is a little different. I believe that the target audience for Pinterest was mothers. And the reason I say that is because Pinterest initially started out as a platform where you could upload your favorite recipes or DIY activities or crafts or school projects and share those projects out with the public. And then anyone who had any interest in what you shared might exchange some of their favorite shares with you and increase your catalog of dinner recipes, child crafting activities, or even school projects. One good thing about social media that I think is very helpful to teens in their quest to socialize and to navigate macro system, politics, and cultural norms and rules is that teens who might not have initially been interested in their voting rights or things like that now have complete access to politics through Twitter. They are able to find ideas for school projects through Pinterest. They're able to share their highs and lows with peers through Facebook. And they have a myriad of ways to connect with their schools through all three.